What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Last week has been pretty slow for me. I was green on the week. I've been trading the Apex and Bullnox accounts. I did fail the Blue Sky. I am trading 4 contracts with them, and when you have a $1,200 drawdown, and not only that, the $600 daily drawdown, a daily loss I should say, it gets difficult. It gets very difficult. Again, I don't recommend doing 4 contracts. I would just stick to 1 or 2. But again, to me, evaluations, I don't really care about them. I just want to pass them as quick as possible. So that's why I'm trading with 4 contracts. And I didn't want to reset it because the reset is $85, and I got the evaluation for $67 or $68, something like that. And I'll get rebuild on the 14th. So might as well just wait a couple weeks and get a free, basically a free reset. I will say this though, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a 4th of July sale. I'm like almost certain. Usually people have 4th of July sales. As of right now, Bullnox only has 83% off. And again, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a 4th of July sale, like a 90% off or something like that. So don't quote me, but yeah, I'm just waiting on that, and as soon as I find out, I'll let you guys know. But for now, it is what it is. Let's talk about the trades. Today's been an interesting day, to be honest. It's been kind of like choppy sideways action, and it is a short week too, so it's gonna be a holiday on 4th of July, and I think Thursday and Friday, I believe it's early close. So basically, we have today, tomorrow, and possibly Wednesday, but I don't see Wednesday to be anything special, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, today was a frustrating day for me. Yeah, let's talk about this. So first trade I thought I was gonna take, which I did not get filled, was this right here, basically a lower high. Right off the bat, I knew we had a range day. It's pretty easy to identify. I wasn't sure where the top was or the bottom, so I just kind of like marked it up like this. Originally I had my top of the range somewhere here, but then I saw this kind of like rejection here, then I moved it down, and I saw a perfect opportunity to go short. Didn't get filled. Not a good sign. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. And then I was looking to trade this too. It's basically a failure as well. Now, you don't really look for failures or second entries in the range, but hey, if you see it, you see it. And it's also, again, a lower high again. Didn't take it because well, I was using the bathroom. Go figure. I don't know what it is about my body, but man, between 8:30 and 8:45, like, I have to go, and I miss, and that happened to me a couple of times, and I miss a setup. So whatever. There was a setup here, again, a failure, but this is just too congested, and it's in the middle of a midline. I don't like that, so I skipped that. Turned out to be a fantastic move. There's a couple higher lows here. Now this one right here, I didn't take it just because on the footprint it wasn't looking good at all. There was more selling pressure than the buying pressure, so I was like, I'm not taking that. Now here was a different story. There was a lot more buying pressure than selling pressure. There was like no selling pressure whatsoever. It is also a measured move from the range. I didn't take it because I chickened out. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I chickened out, so I skipped it, and I was looking to take a short here. This one is unbelievable. Got stopped out to the tick. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I hate when that happens, because I knew the price. I was reading the price correctly, and I don't want to say I knew where the price is going to go, but I had a really good feeling the price is going to go down, because technically speaking, we're still looking for a new low from this bigger range, or bigger channel, I should say. So you do have a break new high already in place, so everything played out, and just stepped out to the tick, and price reversed, and we eventually got a new low. And this sucked. This really sucked. I mean, yeah. Then I'm looking to trade this right here, second entry short. Again, same concept. You have a break new high already in place. You have a smaller kind of like a channel here. Again, you're still looking for retest of this low. Second entry, did not get filled. Price just takes off, doesn't come back. I was like, okay, that's fine. Then I again was still looking for a retest of this lows. Now this is kind of sketchy trade just because you already have 2 legs down, so you might not be able to get a second entry or to get a retest of this low. So it's a little tricky, but the way the price was moving, making these lower highs, I felt confident. Again, took a trade, and I was looking to test this swing low right here. This right here. This is what I was looking at. This is my target profit. Yeah. Price was 1 tick away from getting my target profit reversed. Once I saw this, I was like, oh, okay, great. But there is a triple test here, so that's one of the reasons why I kind of stayed in the trade. And I just basically, I got 1 point, and of course, the price goes exactly where I thought it was gonna go. Of course, why wouldn't it, right? Why wouldn't it? So I was pretty already like in my feelings. I felt right here at that point. I felt the tilts coming on. I felt it. I was like, let's just take a deep breath. Let me just chill out for a second because something's about to happen. So didn't trade here. Another multiple test here, but this wasn't. I wasn't really too sure about that, so I skipped it. Now there's a higher low here, and I like this trade a lot. And the reason why I took this trade long is because, again, from the bigger channel, you already have a new low, right? You do have a test of the basically measured move again. You do have a trend working up. You have a break. You're looking to retest of the highs, and I actually targeted this high right here, and you clearly see I got it right here. And I think I got 3 points here. I'm pretty sure it was 3 points. Okay, so I got 4 points out of this trade. Super happy about this trade. And I told myself, I'm holding the trade. I don't care. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm gonna call it a day. I'll come back next week. So I held the trade, and I got my 4 points. And the price went actually even more. Actually, the second entry loan right here. Nice one. Once I got this trade, I was done. I was done, and I'm up, you know, 150-ish on a day. Yeah, it was just a frustrating morning, really, honestly. And it's all because it's this one little to the tip. I hate these kind of, when I get stopped out like this, I hate it. I really do. Like, it's one thing if you get stopped out by a point or, you know, half a point or whatever. That's fine. I can take that. But to the tick, come on, man. Like, come on, man. Just give me a break here. But anyways, that was my morning, and I'm gonna call it a day. Honestly, I don't. This was just. I'm good for the day. That's enough for me. So I'll come back tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. But I'll probably just, if the price action is slow, I'll probably just not gonna trade and then come back next week. So, but that's all I got for the video. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.